Hi guys, so in this video I'll be telling you how you can install Python in your own system. So what you have to do is open this website python.org. I'll give the link in the description as well. Then what you have to do next is click on downloads. So the latest version currently is Python 3.8.5. But sometimes what happens is when you install the very latest version, so in future if you install some external packages using pip or anaconda, so sometimes they give error when you try out things on the latest version. So it's preferable that you don't directly go with the latest version, but use the version which is not that recent, like something like 3.8.2 or 3.8.3. So you can choose versions like these which are not that old but are also not that latest, and probably the most of packages will work on either of these versions. So I'll select for example 3.8.3. Then you can read about it and scroll it down to this files heading. Then if you are a Windows user, you must click on executable installer and the download will automatically start. Once the download is done, click on this newly installed file. Now the main thing start, guys. So most of the people accidentally forget to click on this part, which is add Python 3.8 to path. This is actually very necessary because in future if you want to use pip to install various libraries or packages, this is gonna be very useful for you. Even if you don't select this option, it won't cause much problem, but you will most likely have to add Python to the path on your own in future. So it's preferable if you already select this and add Python to the path, so you don't have to work for this in future. Now click install now. So this will take some time.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so the download and installation process was successful finally, and you can simply close this now and open your command prompt by searching cmd or command prompt, and in this black window write Python, and when you press enter you must get something like this: Python 3.8.3 blah blah blah. And if this works, if this is what you get after writing Python, then your Python has been successfully installed, and now you can watch the next videos to get the idea of Python basics. Thanks for watching, guys.